waiting our turn, y'all. It's pretty. Oh my gosh. It's just ruined right there though. Very.
Close.
I know, I can't see. Why we got the same problem? I'm screaming.
Oh. Hey, Mama, what should I do?
We waiting our turn, y'all. Let's try them. Yours is good.
So we can choose each.
Wait, so thank you for this, but thank you for everything you have given us. I pray this will This is good. I love this piece of cake.
power is given unto me.
This smells good. This is pretty. Oh my gosh. It's just ruined right there though. Holly berry. Do I see my girl? I see my girl. I was just thinking about Fenty. And this believe I'm going to take her. That's why you gotta pay attention. It's open. I don't know what it smells. Yeah, this is pretty. It even got some Dilly. Strawberry Kisses Complete Aftershave Body Cream. Stuff that I don't need, but it looks cute. This looks good. And cookies and cream. Look at how cute. For the couch, like a decorative pillow. This is so cute. Vanilla Ease. This smells so good. How cute. Which one should I get? This one or should I get this one? Decisions. I have a pink one and a black one like this at home already. So should I try to be different for the guest bathroom and get this? I think I should. I think this is so cute. Oh my gosh, mahogany tea glue is look at this. This is so cute.
Hey y'all, I hope y'all enjoying the vlog so far. So let's get into this haul after all of my dilly dallying. So the first thing I have is Puffs tissue, TheraBreath mouthwash, hamburger pickles, anchovies, jalapenos, my favorite brand, white onions, some new deodorant, Secret, red onions, chicken thighs,
before we start, because I need to straighten up and then I gotta cook, so we're gonna cook together. I saw these snap pickling codes. Okay, you know what really caught my attention is that it said Hottie Bites. I know. I was like, Hottie Bites, what's that about? But it says hot and spicy, so let's see what they got going on. And I love me a good pickle. No, I'm just kidding. I do love me a good pickle though, especially Kool-Aid pickles. Y'all don't know nothing about that. So let's see. These are so good. 7 out of 10. They're good. Let's get back to it.
Okay, let's prep this meal. So first we have our green beans, carrots, and celery, which we're going to use the Fit Wash to get all of that pesticide, debris, dirt, all of that out. We're going to pull out the hen and go ahead and get to prepping it. Get your cutting board, your wax paper, and your roasting pan. You're going to line the freezer paper along the cutting board. Get you out some fresh limes, and that's just to clean off the chicken, so do that. Go ahead and get your unsalted butter so we can do the compound butter. I was looking at some TikToks, y'all, because I wanted to try a new hen this year, but I use paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and the Miss Dash's chicken seasoning, and a little bit of the Tony's, just a little bit, not a lot. We're gonna chop up our celery. It can be messy, choppy, clumpy, it doesn't matter, because it's gonna cook down and get so soft. Trust me. Do the same thing for the carrots, and do the same thing for the onion, and do the same thing for the lemons. Just cut them as small or big as you want, and then cut the lemon into 4s. I like to use gloves, and then I ended up not using gloves later on. But yeah, we're gonna take the compound, or it's not compost, it's the butter seasoning. You're gonna rub and massage the hen down, and make sure you get out your roasting blend, which is rosemary, thyme, and parsley. And then you're gonna inject the injectables butter into the hen. Stuff all of that into your hen, like all the herbs and the vegetables. And then take your pan with a little bit of chicken broth or chicken stock, and go ahead and put the hen on top, and then put it in the oven and follow the directions you're trying to follow for that. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. But yeah, see you in the next video.